Hi traders, let's take a look at the Bitcoin price versus the US dollar. Weekly chart first. This is clearly bearish per Ichimoku. All of the Ichimoku elements are on the bearish side of the chart. Kijun Sen flat, so that means that the price has not made any higher highs or lower lows in the past 26 periods. So it's still likely that the price could could push all the way back up to Kijun-sen at 32K, but there are no signs that the price will make that soon. And also you can see that this bearish weekly candle covered all of the previous candles. At least 3 weeks of price action were just covered by this weekly bearish candle. MACD, mm, lack of momentum. It's rather flat right now. Senko span V is flat, and the Senko span A is also, it has a slight angle to the downside, but well, there's not much momentum here right now. So I think that looking at the Fibonacci levels in the weekly time frame, we can see that if you take this swing high and this swing low, the price retraced all the way up to the 50% Fibonacci level and it was rejected. Now, looking at the daily time frame, you can see that I drew this it could be an ascending triangle or a rising wedge. Well, whatever you want to name it, you can see that the price seemed to have broken out of this chart pattern. And if you take at the Ichimoku elements, you can see that Senku span A is decreasing and we are about to see a TK crossover bearish. So I'll go back to the daily time frame. Okay, so if price keeps going lower, I think the target of this chart pattern is the height of the pattern itself. So the price broke here and the price is close to 17k, 17,600, which is the previous lowest low we have seen so far, at least in 2022. In the 4-hour time frame, the chart is already bearish. So I think I will look for opportunities to short this asset in the 4-hour and the 1-hour time frame. You can see that we are about to see a bearish MACD crossover in the 1-hour time frame. So I I'm going to place a short trade here at current price, at market price, with this stop loss and the target. I mean, the target is just to measure the risk exposure of this trade. But if the trade meets the target and keeps pushing lower, I will keep the trade open. But this is something that I am adding to my trading strategy to be more aware of the risk management. So this will be my short trade. Let's see if it works out and if this scenario plays out. So taking a look at the stochastic oscillator, you can see that the price was at overbought and it's resetting from that condition. So going back to Ichimoku and MACD. So yeah, that's right. That's it for Bitcoin right now. And I I don't think, at least to me, there is not a bullish scenario. If you want to place a bullish trade, I think you can do it in the 4-hour time frame. If you want to place a long trade on Bitcoin, maybe what I will do is at market price set this trade with a stop loss below, slightly below this latest low, and target Kijun Sen as the I think I that was not the right one. This one. So this is this could be a long trade. Stop loss below here, below this lowest low, and target Kijun Sen in the 4-hour time frame. Uh, I'm not going to do this. I think it's risky, as this is a very strength. So I will stick to the bearish scenario and try to trend to trade with the trend. So that's it for now, traders. Thanks for watching.